Okay, so today we're going to focus on our getting to know right triangles. We're working out of our must know high school geometry book, and we're on chapter 6, page 137. We have already gone over the Pythagorean theorem. We've gone over some examples with the Pythagorean theorem. We've done plenty of examples if you're actually doing the assignments that have been posted. And then we have something called Pythagorean theorems. We have, triples. We have the special right triangle. And now we are moving along to looking at sine, cosine, and other things. Now, David, if you've been looking at your assignments, you will remember that the unit circle shows us things in degrees, and it also shows us, angles in degrees, and it also shows us how to convert from radians to degrees, and how to understand how that looks on a unit circle. Okay, but how does that apply to the right triangle? So in this problem that we have, we look at adjacent and opposite. We have our opposite, we have our hypotenuse, we have our hypotenuse, adjacent, and opposite. We have sine theta, cosine, cos theta, and tangent, or tan theta. Okay, and we have to remember something called SOHCAHTOA, which is the popular way to remember these ratios, okay? And if you just go ahead on through the text, you can read that. I know you don't need me to help you read that, but if you wanted, we could go through the word problems, because these are things that I've seen on the exams, and these are must-know things, okay? So again, when you solve for x, of course, you have your angle, you have your hypotenuse, you have one of your sides, whether it's adjacent or opposite to the hypotenuse, and then you have the ratio that you have to figure out. So with this particular problem that we're working on, it's a 12-foot ladder leaning up against a house, making a 62-degree angle with the ground. Now, how far to the nearest tenth of a foot is the base of the ladder from the house? Now, imagine you having a house and you having to do some kind of calculations with either a contractor or for your own personal upgrades onto your house. You need to understand that this will definitely help you. This problem will definitely help you understand what you need to do to figure out what angle, okay, and what this angle would be from the side.